how to customize a Shopify theme like a pro. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to customize a Shopify theme like a pro without any prior coding knowledge. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So first, what we're gonna do is you just simply create a store or an online store. So to do that, just simply go to sales channel right here, go to online store. There you go. Afterwards, you'll be redirected here. So currently, when you're going to make an online store, your theme will be set to the default theme, which is Dawn. But if you want to try out some other themes right here, you can do so, just like these ones right here at the bottom. So they have other themes right here like Horizon, Savor, Vessel, Heritage, and a lot more. And then if you want to view more themes right here, just simply click on Visit the Theme Store. Then here we are. So once you're here, we can just filter out the free ones right here at the left side. There you go. And then we will get to see all of the themes right here that we can now customize. So yeah, feel free to choose on which kind of theme you want to use and that you want to customize. So let's say, as an example, I want to use this color block theme right here. So once you're done choosing your theme, just simply click on it. There you go. And then just simply click on Try Theme. And there you go. And then it will now start adding color block to your online store themes. And then we'll be redirected back here to the themes page. And then here we are. And then under here in the theme library, just wait for this thing to finish up. As you can see, it's still loading, so just wait for that to finish. And then there you go. And then from here, we can now start customizing our theme. But if you want this theme to be like the main theme or the current theme for your online store, what you simply need to do is to just simply click on Publish right here. There you go. Click on Publish. Click on Publish again. Wait for it to load. And then there you go. So as you can see that our current theme right now is the color block. So when customers will visit our Shopify store, they'll be redirected to this web page right here with the color block theme. Okay, so let's start customizing it. So to customize, just simply click on Customize right here. There you go. And then just wait for everything to load. And then here we go. Okay, but before we start, I'll just add some products right here so that we can add like samples right here within our website. So I'll just do that right now. I'll just go back here. I'll just go to products. There you go. Add a product. Then I'll just add product 1. There you go. And then I'll just simply look for a sample image. Okay, there you go. So I will not really put much or anything or detailed like descriptions for this since it's an example. So I'll just add an image and the name of a product. There you go. And then I'll just click on save. And there you go. I'll just add 2 more additional products. Add another product right there. I'll just name this as product 2. There you go. There you go. This will be the image I'll be using for product 2. I'll just save it. Then lastly, I'll just add product 3. Add the product 3. There you go. And I'll just simply look for an image again. And then there you go. I'll just click on save. And there you go. Let's go back. Just go back to the editor right here. And then I'll just simply refresh the page since we added additional products to our store. Okay. So the first thing that you can simply do within the theme that you've chosen is to just simply change the text and its font sizes and its color. So if you want to do that, just simply click on the part that you want to edit out. Then what you can do is just simply go to theme settings, and then from here you can just simply change the color scheme. So if you want to change the color scheme, you can just do so right here under colors, and then you can either choose from one of the pre-added schemes right here, or you can simply add your own color scheme. So when you try to add your own color scheme, just simply click on it, and then you can simply change the color of your text right here. You can also change the colors of your buttons. Same goes with the text for your button labels, the outline button, and the shadows. So yeah, so if you really want to change the color theme of your store, customizing it, you can do so right here. So yeah, but for me, I'll just simply choose a color scheme right here since I'm really not that good in mixing and matching colors. So let's say I want to use scheme 4. So yeah, so let's say I just want to change the text right here. I'll just click on it, and then as you can see right here, there's a color scheme option right here that we can choose. So we can do that, click on it, and then there you go. So I'll just choose scheme 4 right here, and then there you go, the color has now been changed. I'll also apply this to the other sections right here, like this header. I'll change the color scheme as well to scheme 4, just like that. The new color scheme as well, I'll change it to scheme 4. This one as well, the collage section, I'll change it to scheme 4. There you go. I'll change this one to scheme 4 as well. Scheme 4. I just want to make sure that all of the sections right here within my online store have the same color theme. So yep, scheme 4, scheme 4. There you go. Scheme 4 again. Let's do one right here. Scheme 4. Then lastly, we have scheme 4 again right there. So yeah, there you go. We have now changed the color scheme right here of our online store. So as you can see right here, before this online store had a white background, but now it has a blue background. But keep in mind, if you want to use or customize it with your own color scheme, you can do so just by going to theme settings right here, click on add scheme, and then you can just simply change or choose the colors right here for your color scheme. Or what you can also do is just simply type in the hex code if you want to know, or if you want specific colors for your scheme or for your theme. So yeah, next is we'll be moving on to the fonts. So if you want to change the fonts right here for your online store, just simply go to theme settings again, go to typography, and then from here you can just simply change the fonts right here for your header, the body, and etc. So if you want to do that, just simply click on font right there, and then they have a lot of fonts right here that you could choose from. So yeah, so let's say I'd still want to stick with Jaws, but I kind of want to make it bold. So I'll just click on this one right here, regular. Now I'll make it bold just like that. Click on select, and then there you go. It will now update it within our page. And then for the body, I'll just make it light italic. There you go. Click on select, and there you go. The fonts within our page have now been changed. Okay, moving on. As you can see right here within our store is our images right here are kind of blank. So to add the product images right here for your sections right here, just simply click on the image that you want to add an image of. So I'll just click on this, and it says right here on the right side, add an image. So I'll just click on select, and then here you'll get to see all of the images that you've added for your products. So you can do that right here. So let's say I want to use this image, click on done, just wait for it to load, and then there you go. Next, I want this one right here. I want to use this one. Click on done, just wait for it to load again. And then next, I want to add one more right here. And then I want to use this one. There you go. Click on done. And then there you go. Moving on, I'll just add some other images right here as well. Select. I want to use this one. Done. I want to add an image on this part as well. I want to use this image. There you go. And there you go. All of the images right here have now our product images. So there you go. So as you can see, it's starting to look better. So yeah. And then what you can also do is just simply customize your text right here. So let's say you want to change this, just simply click on it, and then from here you can just edit out your text right here. So yeah. But for me, I'll just leave the text as it is, since you can customize it on your own. So feel free to customize the text to your liking. Moving on is you can add additional sections right here for your website. So if you want to add additional sections, just go to this sections page right here. Scroll down until you see template. So if you want to add sections within your template, you can add sections right here. Same goes with the footers and the headers. So for example, I'll just add a section right here in the template. So I'll just click on add section. There you go. And then we can add other sections right here to our homepage. So yeah. So let's say I want to add a featured product section just like this one. I'll just click on that, wait for it to load, and then there you go. It's now been added. Okay, so let's just edit this out. So I'll just start off by changing the text right here, or what I mean is adding the product. So I'll just go to product right here at the feature product section, click on select, and then I'll just choose a product that I want to feature. So let's say I'll just feature product 1. Then I will just change the color scheme again to scheme 4 to match everything. And then there you go. We've now added a section. Then if you want to change some text right here, you can do so just by clicking on these boxes right here. Then you can edit those out. Then there are also some additional settings right here in the right side that you can also edit out, like adding a secondary background, changing the media, the padding, the theme settings, and a lot more. So yeah, feel free to customize this. So yeah, so if you want to add additional sections, you can do so. Again, just by clicking on add section. You can do it as well for your footer and your header. Moving on, let's customize the other pages right here within our online store. So currently we are in the home page, but within this theme, we have other pages right here like the catalog page and the contact page. So we can customize those pages as well. So if you want to go to those pages, just simply click on the page you want to go to, click on it, then we'll be redirected here. And then from here, we can also start changing the color theme as well. So I'll just change everything to scheme 4. And then there you go. And then if you want to edit out the other details right here, feel free to do so. You can also add sections right here as well if you want to. Again, adding sections to your header and footer as well if you want to. So yeah, feel free to customize it again to your liking. Next is the contacts page. So I'll just change the color scheme right here as well. There you go, scheme 4. And then there you go, we're now done. Alright, so let's go back to the home page again. What we can do from here is to also edit out the add to cart page. This one right here, the one that I'm pointing my mouse with. So I'll just click on it. There you go. And then I'll also change the color scheme right here as well. And then there you go. Okay. Then feel free to edit out the other details right here as well, like adding sections and etc. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, once you're done, just simply click on save. There you go. And then what we can do from here now is just simply preview our website. There you go. Preview. Then it will redirect us to our website. And then there you go. Here is the website that we have made for our store. So you can see we've changed a lot of stuff right here, like the color theme, the fonts, adding sections, and etc. So yeah. So this right here is the home page, the catalog page, the contact page, the add to cart. And then there you go. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to customize a Shopify theme like a pro without any prior coding knowledge. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.